Welcome back to Detail Garage. Today we're going to show you how to change out the backing plate on your brand new torqX dual action polisher. Now this versatile detailing machine is great for any beginning or professional detailer who needs to remove swirls or scratches, polish paintwork, spread wax, decontaminate the surface with a clay eraser disc, or even scrub carpet, scrub upholstery to clean out any dirt or stains, or restore headlights to get rid of that faded yellow look. Now the machine ships with a durable 5-inch backing plate. Now this is great for running any 5.5-inch buffing pad that you may pick up, and you can get any sort of buffing pad, polishing pad, finishing pad, or even microfiber pad, or a 5-inch carpet brush to scrub out upholstery. But 5-inch pads and 5-inch backing plates aren't always what you need. Sometimes you need to get into a smaller area on the vehicle if you want to polish some door jambs or roof pillars, and a 3-inch pad might be better to use. Or sometimes you might be working on a large vehicle and you might need a 6-inch pad. So switching between different size backing plates is going to make it easier to run these pads and get professional level results. Now the machine also ships with some literature, some instructions, and a small wrench. This is the wrench that you need. This is the only tool that you need to change the machine, to modify it to accept any other size backing plate or buffing pad. So all you need to do, turn your machine over and you'll see there's a small slot cut into the housing around the counterweight and the spinning mechanism on the machine. Now if the counterweight is in the way, you can't fit the wrench in, simply rotate the dual action mechanism until you can fit the wrench in. Now you're just going to set the machine down flat, take the wrench and slot it through that small opening. Now you're going to have to rotate the actual buffing pad head until you can get the wrench around the spindle piece inside. There you go. And then once you notice that the backing plate is not spinning anymore, you're going to counter hold that spindle with the wrench and simply break the tension holding down the backing plate. And then you spin the backing plate to the left or counterclockwise until it comes off. So you can see once we remove the backing plate, this is the counterweight design, and this is the actual spindle thread of the machine. And all we did with the wrench, we grabbed onto the spindle to hold it in place while we unscrewed the backing plate. You see that the backing plate came off in a couple different pieces. We have the backing plate with the hook and loop surface, the spindle thread, and this little washer. Make sure you do not lose this washer. This little washer needs to go on the spindle and go in between the spindle thread and the spindle on the machine. If you don't have that, you won't have the correct clearance, and the backing plate itself will actually get torn up on the housing of the machine. So you need to have this washer on the backing plate. Do not lose it. So let's say I need to polish a smaller area on the vehicle. I want to switch to a 3-inch backing plate to run smaller pads. So you see I have a Torq vented 3-inch backing plate, and it comes with a little rubber cap on the backing plate to protect the threads on the spindle. So I'm going to remove this little cap, and then to keep my stock pad organized, I'm just going to put the cap on here. And now I'm not going to lose the washer, so I'll set this to the side. Now the 3-inch backing plate actually has a built-in washer design on it. The 5 and the 6-inch Torq backing plates do not have a built-in washer. They are removable still, but as long as you keep the rubber cap on, you're not going to lose any little piece. So I'm going to take the 3-inch backing plate. I'm going to counter hold the spindle in the machine before I put the backing plate on. And all I have to do now is take this thread, line it up on that spindle, and start it off, start screwing it in. And there we go, that's all we need to do. Now I'm going to counter hold the spindle just a little bit longer, and I'm going to really give this just a little bit more of a turn. You don't need to crank this down super tight, you just need to make sure it's not going to fall off. I'll take out the wrench. So now you see I'm ready to run a smaller pad with the machine. Now this makes the machine extremely versatile. I can fit the compact machine underneath door mirrors, around bumpers. I can use smaller 3-inch pads to restore things like headlights or polish door jambs or any other tight area around the vehicle. That's what makes the torqX and the dual action polishing system extremely versatile for any beginning detailer or professional who needs to get professional results over any area of the vehicle. So now you see how easy it is to change out the backing plate on your brand new torqX dual action polisher. If you want to learn more about how to detail any part of your car, inside or out, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have over 800 videos showing you how to do just about anything. You got a nice car, let's keep it clean with Chemical Guys.